Oh, my foot's cramping. Oh! Doggy! Oh my god! Oh my god! Could I pet them? Okay, hold up. Ah! Ah! Yeah! Nobody talk about it. Hello? What the fuck are you doing? Hey baby, won't you look my way? You can be on. I think it's ridiculous that a good-looking young gentleman like me cannot go out in public anymore without getting catcalled by a bunch of women, okay? I want to be respected as a human being, not for my body, okay? If our love is tragedy, why are you my remedy? Skirt! Ew. Ooh. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. Dice. Funny math rocks. Smash.